Okay guys, I got a little tool. It's a dremel, and I'm gonna use this process to get all the sharp edges out of the inside of the knife. As you can see, there's a little green tip that I have over here, and I'll go inside like something like this. Sorry that my vise got loose. Might take a little bit of little work, but it'll do the job. This little tool will do the work. Done. I'm gonna double check it again with this. Still a little bit here, which I'm removing with this. This side looks pretty good. There's no sharpish there. I'm gonna go a little bit more on this side. I'm gonna change tips. I'm gonna use a square one to get right in the corners. That will do it. Nothing in there. Yeah. Got it. That's it.